Dino here, and welcome to GTA GT. So, I'm looking for a chin spoiler for my 2019 Mustang GT convertible. Like I said, I want this car to look a lot more aggressive. So there's actually 3 of them that I like. And I'm going to go on the internet, we're going to look at them, and I'm going to need your help. I need your help to choose the one that would fit my car the best. So we'll look at all 3 of them, and then you guys comment below and let me know which one you think is the best one for my car. And that's the one I'll pick. Okay, so I'll go online, I'll go to the American Muscle site, and we'll look at the 3 that I like. And then out of those 3, we'll pick one. And you guys are gonna help me pick. Just comment below, let me know which one you like the best. And hopefully I get lots of comments, because I do need your help on this one, because I'm not so sure. We'll look at the cost. I know one is a lot more expensive than the other ones, but if that's the pick, then that's the one I'll buy, and that's the one we'll install in the car. So let's do this. I'll go online and we'll check them out. Okay, so here we are, American Muscle. Here's the chin spoilers. These will all fit my 2019 Mustang. So I'll tell you the ones I like. There's 3 of them that I like. So there's this one here. So this one here, MMD, $250. And actually, I like this one. This is nice. It's aggressive, but it's not too aggressive. And I think this one will suit the car really well. Yeah, so I do like this one. It's nice. So there's that one. Then I also like this one. This one's actually probably my favorite one. RTR for $370. Really nice. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite. I like this one more than the other one. Just a little bit more. It's a little bit, see, it's a little bit more aggressive. I like how it kind of comes out like that here. Looks nice, aggressive. I like it. And then the 3rd one I like, it's actually carbon fiber, and it's this one here, Type AR Anderson. It's really nice. So this one's actually expensive. It's like $800 American. I'm Canadian, so for me that's going to be about $1,100. And that's fine. I mean, if that's the one we pick, then that's the one I'll get. Yeah, so this one's really nice. Looks awesome. I like that one. It's aggressive and sporty. Yeah, it looks really good. Now there's also the Roush, which I'm not too interested in, but it is nice, and it's aggressive also, and it looks good too. So we'll throw that one in there too. So if you guys like the Roush, just comment for the Roush, and if that's the winner, then that's the one I'll put on. Yeah, no, it looks good. The Roush looks good too. Very nice. But I still think, because I mean, the 3 of them are similar, right? So the MMD, the RTR, and the Roush are similar. And then this Type AR is completely different. I mean, it's carbon fiber, and the whole shape of it is just completely different. And it's very interesting, actually. But these 3 are very similar, and to me, the RTR is the nicest one. and then I like the MMD, and then I would like the Roush. But these are my two favorite ones, are the RTR and the Anderson Type AR. So you guys let me know which one you think is best for my 2019 convertible, and just comment below, let me know, and then we'll go from there. The one that has the most comments for is the one that I'll buy, and then I'll do a video and we'll do an install. So help me out, guys. Help me pick. We'll do it together. Okay, so I'll put this video out, and then I'll wait probably a month and a half, and then hopefully there's comments, and then we'll pick it. We'll pick it together, and then I'll order it, and then I'll do